the cat both day and night, with sneaky steps and whiskers wide. He dreamed of catching Jerry inside. Jerry the mouse, so small and quick, loved to play each clever trick. He'd scamper fast and laugh with glee. "Catch me if you can," said he. Through the kitchen, down the hall, past the clock upon the wall, Tom would slip and Jerry would dash, zooming by in a lightning flash. A tumble here, a crash, a slide, Tom would spin and take a ride. But Jerry always got away to tease poor Tom another day. Though they chase and run around, the funniest pair can still be found. For deep inside it's plain to see, they share a bond of lived Tom the cat both day and night, with sneaky steps and whiskers wide.